Hi.
What's going on, sir?
Nice to meet you.
Camera.
Andres.
Camera.
Okay.
Yeah, I just lost the key.
Okay.
So how'd you learn how to do this? Is just you went to school for something like this, or you just learned it off like someone taught you? Or?
Both.
Okay.
You see, quick. Limpiamos aquí. Vamos acá. Probamos. Perfecto. Okay. So, thank you, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Okay. Be safe.
You too.